So here we are on our adventure. We're in Modena now, and now we are going to go and see how they make the pizza ovens and get a little bit of a lesson here how proper pizzas are being made. This model is a special for to use only wood.
This.
So you get
Okay.
that crispiness.
Yes, for the crispy, for the crunchy.
Yes.
Here we are in Modena at the MAM Factory. We just gone through seeing how they make pizza ovens from scratch, handmade, all the way to one of the master pizza chefs here that showed us exactly how to make pizzas. Absolutely fantastic. Definitely a visit.